Hi, this is Joanna at Link High Technologies, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to set up an out-of-office message. With Outlook open, we're going to go in the left-hand corner and click on File. Then we're just going to go right down here to Automatic Replies out of Office. Click on Send Automatic Replies. Only send during this time range. Edit these as needed for when you'll be out of office. Then you can type your message down here. There's also the option to send for people outside of your organization if they reach out and you're not available, or you could just do inside. Then you're just going to click OK. And then we're all set. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.